Flavors and Knowledge is a bilingual podcast focusing on gastronomic education in relation to a healthy lifestyle through food first. Our philosophy carries a moral obligation of sharing sensible knowledge to generate social awareness. Podcasts are in English with an accent and Italian.
Hello dear friends, welcome back. This is Chef Walter with Flavors and Knowledge. In this particular episode, we will continue our chronology of Christmas cooking, and this time is about Central Italy. Christmas is the festival in which traditions are rediscovered and relived. Customs of distant times, handed down from generation to generation, is jealously guarded as if they were precious jewels. And thanks to some holidays such as Christmas, Easter, and Carnival, the customs remain vivid. Cooking is undoubtedly an excellent way to preserve traditions, as gastronomy plays a fundamental role in Italian culture. To realize this, think of the typical dishes that are symbol of certain holidays. The country's cooking peculiarity also lies in the fact that in Italy, the dishes and traditions vary significantly from region to region, but also from family to family. For example, in the South, the Christmas Eve dinner is based on fish, of course, is very common, while in the North, the focus is mainly on the lunch portion of the day on December 25th. In the Tuscan tradition, specifically in Florence, we find the bardicchio, a pork sausage with fennel cooked on the grill after midnight, among the various specialties. We can taste the chicken liver crostini among the appetizers. Among the typical Christmas sweets, there are the cavallucci, pleasantly spiced sweets with an orange scent. In Emilia-Romagna, as first courses, passatelli or tortellini cannot be missing, to be eaten, of course, blended with a fresh broth. Passatelli are easy to make. They are strings of pasta and made up of simple ingredients such as breadcrumbs, parmigiano, eggs, lemon zest, of course broth, and a dash of nutmeg. One of the desserts that Emilian children love the most and they eat at Christmas time is the panone, which is called Panone di Natale di Bologna, made with quince, honey, dark chocolate, flour, and dried figs. In some areas of the region, fish-based dishes are also brought to the table, such as spaghetti with mackerel, anchovies, tuna, and, of course, bacala or fried cod, which seems to be prevalent all across the land. In the Marche region, the recipe of a very tasty baked timballo. It's called Vincisgrassi and has an Austrian influence history. It's brought to the table and it's seasoned with a very full body sauce made up of different types of meat, usually chicken, ham, ground beef, and sliced mushrooms. The roasted capon is a second dish typical of the tradition of this region. Among the desserts, there are the frustingo and the pizza di nata, a kind of panettone enriched with local and seasonal products, such as walnuts, raisins, pieces of chocolate, and spices. Even in Umbria, you eat stuffed pasta such as cappelletti, and the filling is made of capon and pigeon. Gingerbread is one of the Christmas goodies. It is nugget with dried fruit such as almonds and hazelnut, and of course raisins, candied fruit, and chocolate, all coated together with honey. In the Lazio region, fried foods abound, such as those with vegetables or capitone, roasted lamb, stuffed turkey, and pangiallo. Pangiallo is a traditional Christmas dessert in the region. With a round shape and a yellow crust, its filling features the classic winter ingredients such as dried fruit again, honey, and candied fruit. We find very delicious Christmas recipes such as culurgiones, stuffed ravioli seasoned with fragrant tomato sauce when we move to Sardinia. Another first course very cooked during this period are malloreddus, semolina gnocchi with a lined and a slightly long surface. Among the main courses of meat, there is of course the suckling pig, which is roasted with myrtle. The most prepared side dishes are simply prepared, with seasonal vegetables such as radishes. Seadas are fried sweets with a cheese filling, which are accompanied by pure honey. And that does it for this portion of Christmas foods in Central Italy. I am certain I have missed a couple of regions and certainly many more specialties, but I think these are the ones I selected for this year. I suggest to please follow Flavors and Knowledge, which is offered at your preferred platform, and if you have a chance, join us on YouTube, where we have a compilation of short videos under the label News You Can Eat 24 of Chef Walter's Cooking School. I will have additional information on the show notes. In the meantime, if you're cooking in the kitchen as much as I do, keep your eyes on the fire, be safe, and wear a mask. We'll reconnect on the next round. Stay well. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.
Hello, friends. Please consider supporting my Flavors and Knowledge podcast. Donated proceeds are applied to absorb the cost of cooking classes and health education for children. Help a child affected with diabetes with a donation toward the proper management of the condition through Food First. This message is brought to you by Chef Walter's Children Diabetes Foundation.